Open a Canva project page and change the background color to a gradient blue. Go to Element and search for frames. Choose the circle frame and increase the size of your frame. Go to Uploads and bring in your image. Attach your image into the frame, just like so. Double click to adjust the size of your image. Once you're done, go to Edit, scroll down to See Shadows and choose Glow. Go back to Uploads and bring in your second image. Double click to increase the size of your image. Now the idea is to place your image properly to give it the pop out effect you will see in just a few seconds. Once you're done, remove the background of your second image and increase the size of this image. Go to click on the first image and lock it so it doesn't, once you place the second image on top of it, it doesn't attach the frame. Go to Edit, scroll down to See Glow and add a glow to the second duplicated image and increase just like so. Go to Test and choose Typecraft. Type in your text. In this case, I'm typing in new arrival. So you're going to type this like in 3 places. So the idea is to get enough word to form a circle. You'll see that in a second. So choose this. You see there is still a gap up there. So we're going to type in one more word to fill that circle. New. And that circle is filled. Choose Holo and add to design. Increase the size of your text and position it properly. Right click, go to layers, show layers and move your text in between your 2 images. Go to effect and add a glow to your text. Adjust your text just like so. And here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like and share.